Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Friday, October 19th. A reminder, today is equity option expiration for this month. Stocks were surprised with Google earnings midday released in error to halt trading in that stock. The E-mini S&P ended the streak of higher closes with a 5-point loss to 1451. The 1443 support level below is the halfway mark from the October 5th high at 1466 and the 1420 low from last Friday. The blue chips held the best of the day, down only 2 points to close at 13,487. The seemingly quiet session traded both sides of unchanged with only an 80-point range for the day. Tech stocks were big losers to close at 2737, down 34, representing a 1.25% drop for the session. 2800 is the resistance above from the October breakdown, and 2700 lows from last week act as support. Crude oil continued its uneventful action, down 25 cents to 92.30 with another consolidating range on Thursday. 90.27 lows from early in the session on Monday act as support, with 93.84 the September 21st highs. That's the resistance up above that the market is watching. After a 200-point plus gain over this week in the euro currency, we backtracked 50 points yesterday to under 131. The dollar bounced to 79.40 and bonds pushed down 4 ticks to 146.5, and the yield on the 30-year is just below the 3%. Gold lost $11 to 17.42, while silver dropped 45 cents to 27.80 as the U.S. dollar strengthened by nearly 0.5%. Earnings and option expiration add to the market inputs today. So where do the markets stand this Friday morning to start the day and to end this trading week? Well, looking at things right now, we've got the euro currency right now down about 20 points at 130.50, and the dollar sits right at 79.50. Bonds are 15 ticks higher, but still under the 147 level. Crude oil is interesting that it's stuck around this 92.50 level. Right now we're up a quarter at 92.75, but it's had some real tight ranges overnight once again. The larger monthly sideways range for the December contract has remained between $88 and $94 for over a month now. So we'll look to see if it can have some sort of breakout one direction or the other. Gold is down another $11 at 17.34 with support at Monday's 17.30 lows and resistance at 17.60. Silver's down 52 cents at 32.35. So as we get started this Friday morning, the E-mini S&P is down 4 points at 1448. Dow futures are 28 points lower right now, and the E-mini Nasdaq futures are 9 points lower with an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action for this Friday morning to end the week, the euro currency is 20 points lower, bonds 15 ticks higher, crude oil is steady, up a quarter right now, with gold $11 lower. Stock futures are steady to lower right now, with the E-mini S&P at 1448 down 4. The Dow futures at the CME Group are down 28 points at just above the 13,450 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Monday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.